Hi guys, today our goal is I can use a picture to create two different one-step addition or subtraction story problems. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add a picture, and I screenshotted this picture from online, but you can go ahead and take one from the classroom or you can get a quick picture off of the internet. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just kind of study your picture. I noticed that in my picture, some of the kids are standing and some of the kids are sitting. Some are boys and some are girls. And I also noticed that they're wearing different colors. So I can use all of those things to help me create a story problem that can be solved. The first problem I'm going to write is going to be a quantity unknown problem, which means you could use addition or subtraction to solve my problem. My problem says, there are 5 children, 3 of them are boys. How many are girls? I'm going to use subtraction to solve this problem, and I want to make sure that when I write my number model, it matches the order of the story problem. So I notice that this says there are 5 children. So I'm going to start my subtraction problem with 5, and then I'm going to subtract the 3 of them that are boys, and I know that 5 minus 3 equals 2, and I can also tell from the picture that there are 2 girls in the picture. I'm going to use that same picture to write my second addition or subtraction story problem. The problem I wrote says, one child is sitting in a chair and 4 children are not. How many children are there altogether? I'm going to write an addition number model to match this story. One child is sitting in a chair and 4 children are not. So how many children are there altogether? 5 children. So I bet you guys noticed that the math I was solving today, it was pretty easy. My numbers were only single-digit numbers, so my addition and subtraction problems were really simple to solve. But remember that our goal today is really to focus on writing those addition and subtraction story problems. However, if you want to challenge yourself a little bit, when you're done writing addition or subtraction story problems to match a picture, go ahead and try to create a story problem that you just make up out of your mind, but make it a little bit more challenging. Keep your numbers in the double digits. The story problem I wrote says, last night I brought 22 balloons to a party. By the end of the night, 13 of them had popped. How many balloons were left? So I want to make sure that when I solve this problem, I say my thinking out loud so that people can kind of understand my math strategies. I know that when I went to the party, I had 22 balloons with me, and then during the party, 13 of them popped. So my goal is to figure out how many were left after the party ended. I'm going to use a number line to solve this problem. So I think I'm going to use my counting back strategy. I'm going to start at 22 and then I'm going to take away 13. But I think I'll start by just taking away a 10 first. So I know 22 minus 10 is 12. And I've only taken 10 away, so I know I still have 3 more to subtract. So then I'm going to do 12 minus 3. And I know 12 minus 2 is 10, so 12 minus 3 must be 9. So I believe that I had 9 balloons left at the end of the night. Alright guys, so now it's your turn. The very first thing that you need to do is, as quickly as you can, you need to get a picture. So take one from the classroom or really quickly get one from offline. The second thing that you need to do is use that picture to write and solve 2 different story problems. Make sure that as you solve, you're explaining your thinking out loud for your classmates to hear. The third thing that you need to do is check the time. You have 30 minutes to complete this task, so if you think you have enough time to challenge yourself and create a more difficult story problem, now's the time to do it. When you're done with your Explain Everything video, export the video to your camera roll, and then go ahead and upload it to today's Schoology discussion. You need to watch at least 2 of your classmates' videos and give them some feedback. Remember, your feedback needs to be specific, and it needs to be about their video, not about recess. Thanks, guys.